Hey everyone, welcome back to World Best Solution 220. In today's video, we're diving into the newest and most exclusive codes for Roblox, 99 Night in the Forest. But before we jump into the rewards, there's something important you need to know. There is one hidden secret code inside this video, and trust me, this hidden code gives a reward that most players don't even know exists. So don't skip, or you might miss the best part. If you play 99 Night in the Forest or you love getting fresh working codes, then make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. I upload new codes the moment they come out, so you always stay one step ahead of everyone else. All the codes in today's video are brand new, and some of them work for a very limited time. That's why you should watch carefully. Skipping the video might make you miss the exact moment to activate them. A lot of players still don't know which codes are active and which ones are already expired. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know everything clearly. And remember that hidden code can appear at any moment. It's a little tricky to spot, but if you find it, make sure to comment below. Let's see who finds it first. Alright, no more waiting. Let's jump straight into all the new and fully working 99 Night in the Forest codes. Just keep watching till the end, because the codes start right after this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss any new code updates.
Take it now, now. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. heartache, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never